Hello everyone, this is Kinjal Parmar. Today we will discuss simplification of logic function using K-map. So let's start. Simplification of logic function. The logic function may be simplified by algebraic means. However, this procedure of minimization is awkward because it lacks specific rules to predict each succeeding step in the manipulative process. The map method provides a simple and straightforward procedure for minimizing Boolean function. This method may be regarded as a pictorial form of a truth table. The map method is also known as Karnaugh map or K-map. K-map. A K-map is a diagram made of a square with each square representing one minterm of the function that is to be minimized. Any Boolean function can be expressed as a sum of minterm or product of maxterm. It follows that a Boolean function is recognized graphically in the map from the area enclosed by those squares whose minterms are included in the function. The map represents a visual diagram of all possible ways a function may be expressed in a standard form by recognizing various pattern alternative algebraic expression for the same function can be derived and from which the simplest can be selected. The simplified expression produced by the map are always in one of the two standard form, sum of product or product of sum. The simplest algebraic expression is an algebraic expression with a minimum number of terms and with the smallest possible numbers of literal in each term. Literal means number of input. The simplest expression may not be unique. It is sometimes possible to find two or more expressions that satisfy the minimization criteria. Now let's discuss about two variable K-map for SOP form. The two variable map is shown in figure. There are four minterms for two variables. So the map consists of a four square for each term with relation between the square and two variables x and y. Here we have a K-map for two variable in SOP form. Here we have a two input or says two variables x and y. For this two variable, we have a total four possible combination 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Now, how can we return these combinations into this K-map? So, first for x we have a 2 value 0, 1 and for y we have a 2 value 0, 1. Now this intersection of 0, 0, so we have a m0 term over that and there is a x dash y dash because in SOP form y is equals to 0 represented as a y dash and y is equals to 1 represented as a y. So first m0 for x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. So we have a term x dash y dash. For x is equals to 0, y is equals to 1. We have a m1 x dash y. For x is equals to 1, y is equals to 0, x y dash. And for x is equals to 1, y is equals to 1, m3 x y. So this is how we can cover all the possible combination into this square and this is how we can make a two variable K-map for SOP form. Now let's take an example how we can simplify the logical function using two variable K-map. Here we have a example simplify f into x comma y, that means two variable and term given as a summation of small m 1, 2, 3. Summation, that means SOP form. So first make a K-map for this two variable and then place 1 because here we have a summation. So for this term 1, 2, 3, we have to write 1 over their position. So this is how we can write K-map for given function. First, draw this square. That means first draw K-map using 4 square as we have a two variable x and y. Then put values of x and y 0, 1, 0, 1. Now we have a summation 1, 2, 3. So put 1 over this place. So we have a 1, 2, 3 as a one term. Now try to make a group of this adjacent one. Adjacent one. Try to make a group of adjacent one. Like here we make group of 1 and 3 which are adjacent, or we can also make a group of 2 and 3 which are adjacent. After this adjacent term, write a function of this table. So for this 1 and 3, so these are in a one group. This can be represented by this circle. This 1 and 3 are in one group, and for this group we have a logical expression y. How we can write this logical expression? So for this both one, see from both the side, there is a no common term for horizontal direction, as for first x is equals to 0 and for second x is equals to 1. So no common term. But in a vertical direction we have a common term y. So here function of this term can be written as a y. Here we make a group, then write a logical function. And how we can write this logical function? By comparing this into both the direction, by checking in both the direction for a common term, and after writing common term we have a group function of any group. Then for M2 and M3 we can make a group of 1, and for this group of 1 we have a logical function x, because in a vertical direction y is equals to 0 and y is equals to 1, no common term, but in a horizontal direction x is equals to 1 which is common for both the one. So we can write this logical function for x. So here we have an answer. After writing group function of all the groups, write this as a OR operation. So here we have a x plus y. So the logical function of this given function is x plus y. So this is how we can solve a logical function into simplified form by using K-map. Now let's discuss about three variable K-map for SOP form. The three variable map is shown in figure. There are 8 minterms for three variables. So the map consists of 8 square for each minterm. Here we have a 8 square K map. As for three variable we have a 8 possible combination. So we can write this 8 possible combination like this. We have a x which has a value 0 and 1, and here we have to write this y and z as a combination. So here y z, and this y z have a 4 possible combinations 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Here we write this combination as 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, not in form of 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. Okay, here we write this pattern into gray form. Why we write this pattern into gray form? Because it is necessary that successive squares are differ by one bit only. Like from 0 0 to 0 1 only one bit difference, then 0 1 to 1 1 only one bit difference, and 1 1 to 1 0 only one bit difference. So this is how we write this combination into K map like 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So here decimal equivalent of this square can be written as 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, remember 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the term respective to this square is for x is equals to 0 and y z is equals to 0. We have a x dash, y dash, z dash. As x is a 0 value, that means x dash, and y and z has a 0 value, that means y dash, z dash. Then for m1, x dash, y dash, z. Then for m2, again denote this, we have to write this as a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So next term for m2, x dash, y, z dash. Then for m3, x dash, y, z. And similarly we can write this over other square for 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again here we place the 1 over here for our given function, then make a group of this function and then write a individual group function. Here maximum we can make a group of 8, and for if all the square cover, then logical function of any function written as 1 if all the squares are covered. Then we can make a group of 4, then we make a group of 2, and then we make a group of 1. We have to make a group which is in a maximum size and try to make a group or less. So basically here we have a condition that we have to cover all the ones with minimum group but with the maximum size. Okay, if we have a group of 4, then first we have to make a group of 4, not group of 2 and 2. And remember, as here this is a binary value, so we have to make a group into 2 raised to power. So we can't make a group into 3 variable, that means we can't make a group of 3. Okay, remember here we make a group of 2 variables accordingly. The main terms are arranged not in a binary sequence but in a sequence similar to the gray code. Any two adjacent square in the map differ by only one variable which is primed in a one square and unprimed in the other, whereas the other two variables are the same in both the square. To simplify function, make a group of adjacent ones with the maximum size of group and with minimum number of group. That is, first try to make a group of 8. If it is not possible, then let's go for group of 4. Then if not possible, then try of group of 2. Then last group of 1. For all group, write a variables which are common for logical function for that particular group and sum of individual group function to form answer. So let's take an example. Simplify the Boolean function f x, y, z, 3 variable and summation of 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write 1 over 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have a 3 variable k map. First write the value of x, y, z which is by default same for all the condition 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Then place 1 for the given Boolean function. Here we have a 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2, 3, 4, 5. Now here we can make a group of 2 and which is identified easily. We have a 2, 3 as a one group and 4, 5 as a one group. Now we have to write a group function. So how we can write? So for this both the one see in horizontal direction. So x dash is common and in a vertical direction y is common. So we have a logical function of this group as a x dash y. And for this 4 and 5, we have a horizontal direction common variable x and vertical direction common variable 0, 0 for y dash. So the group of this function is x, y dash. So we have a answer x dash y plus x y dash. Now let's discuss another example. Example, simplify the Boolean function of x comma y comma z is equals to summation of 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. So here we have a K-map for 3 variable and place 1 over this number 0, 2, 4, 5, 6. So after writing 1 over here, try to make a group. First try to make a group of 1. Here remember this, we can make a group of ages over here because this 0, 0 and 1, 0, it is also a adjacent number or say adjacent. So we can also make a group like this. So here we have to make a group of 1, 1 and 1, 1. Don't make a group of 2 over here like for 0 and 4 and 2 and 6. Make a group of 4 over ages. So this is how we can make a group. Here we have a group of 4 and for this group of 4 look in a horizontal direction, no common term because for upper one we have a x dash and for lower one we have a y. So no common term in horizontal direction. In a vertical direction we have a common term z dash. So we write a logical function for this 4 square group as a z dash and then make a group of this remaining one with 4 and 5. We can overlap any of the elements to make a simplified group. So here we use this 4 another time for the grouping of with m5. So we have a 4 and 5 into one group. So we have a common term x and y dash. So logical function of this is z dash plus x y dash. So this is how we write a logical expression in simplified form using K-map. Here are some examples how we can make a group and write a logical function. First we have a summation of 0 for which we make a horizontal group and we have a function b dash c dash. Again in a second we can make a group like this and in both the directions compare. So we have a b dash. Then we can also make a group of 4 whenever we have a group of 4 into 3 variable K-map. So here we have a only one term. So here in both the direction let's check here no common term. Here we have a b dash. Then we can also make a group of 4 like this for as a fourth example summation of 0, 1, 2, 3. So we have a one common term a dash. Then we can make a group of 2 like this. So we have answer a dash c and we can also make a group of ages like this. So we have a common term a dash and c dash. We can make a group of 1 like this. We have a c dash. Then we can make also group like this. So we have a dash c dash and we can also make a group of 4 like this as discussed previously in example and we have a logical expression for this is a c dash. Now 4 variable K-map for SOP form. The map for Boolean function of a 4 binary variable w, x, y, z is shown in figure with 16 min term. 4 variables, so 2 raised to 4 total 16 possible combination. The rows and columns are numbered in a gray code sequence with only one digit changing value between two adjacent rows and columns. For map minimization, adjacent squares are defined to be squares next to each other. The combination of adjacent squares for simplification is easily determined from the inspection of 4 variable map. 16 square produced a function that is always equal to 1. Then for 8 square we have a 1 literal. For 4 adjacent square we have a term with 2 literal. For 2 adjacent square we have a 3 literal and for 1 square we have a 4 literal. Here we have a K-map of a 4 variable, total 16 possible combinations, which can be written as by pairing wx and yz. For wx we have a total 4 possible combinations, 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Again here we write this as a 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0, and for yz 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. So we have a term 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So this is how we can write a decimal equivalent of this given term into K-map. And for respective square, we have a term like for M0, we have a WXYZ 0 0. So WX dash y dash z dash. So this is how we have a total 16 terms for each square. Now let's discuss with an example. Simplify the function f w comma x comma y comma z. We have a small m 0 comma 1 comma 2 comma 4 5 6 8 9 12 13 14. So we have to write 1 over this term, and we have a 4 variables, so total 16 square K map. So here we have a 16 square K map. By default, write this wx and its value, yz and its value, and then place 1 over the logical function given in a example. Then try to make a group. So here first we identify that we have a group of 8. So this is how we can make a group of 8, and for this group of 8 we have a common variable y dash. So the logical function of this group is a y dash. Now we have a remaining term is m2, m6, m14. So here we make a group of 2, but remember we have to make a group with a large number. That means whether we have a option to make a group of 2, we have to first try to make a group of 4. So here we can make a group of 4 by this covering this group of 8 ones with another terms, and this is how we can make a group of this one with another used one. So we have a group of 4, and for this we have a expression like in a horizontal direction we have a common term w dash, and in a vertical direction we have a common term this z dash. So here we can here there are two terms w dash y dash z dash and w dash y z dash, and by adding this term we have a common variable w dash z dash, which is the logical function of this 4 term. And then we have another group of 4. For this we have a x and z dash. So the group function of this group is a x z dash. So here we have a answer y dash plus w dash z dash plus x z dash. So this is how we can solve 4 variable K map into simplified function. Now here some are the group pattern. We can make a group of 2 like this, and we have a term here in this horizontal direction we have a common term b dash, and in vertical direction we have a common term 0 0, that means c dash d dash. So we write this as a b dash c dash d dash, and this is how we can make a group of 1 over here, and we also make a group of 4 like this as is shown in a picture. We can make group like this, we can make group of edges, we can make group of edges of this like 2, and we also make a group of 4 like this also, and we have a for this 4 term b dash d dash. So this is how we write a logical function by making the group like this. Then again we can make a group of 8 like this. We make a group of 8 like this, 8 like this. We can also make a group like this and also like this. So this is how we can make a group of 8 for simplified function like this. So here we discussed about K-map for SOP form. Thank you.